So hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing a book which is I Came Upon a Lighthouse. So first of all, who is the writer? The writer is Shantanu Naidu. So what is being the major theme in this? So it is a short memoir of life with Ratan Tataji, and why the title of this book is so, the reason is being lighthouse is somewhat which guides you, which guides the ships. But here, the guiding light is Ratan Tataji to Shantanu Naidu. So it starts with the life of Shantanu Naidu, how he starts Motopause. It was an initiative of Shantanu Naidu for dogs. Like they had made that straps for dogs with the radium so that they can glow at night, and the accidents of the vehicle they run over the dog can be reduced. And it impressed Ratan Tataji a lot that he became his closest friend. And after becoming his friend, Shantanu Naidu prepared for MBA examination entrances, and for that, first he appeared for Harvard University interview, for which he was rejected. But for the second time, he prepared for Cornell and he got selected. And then he went abroad, and there also Ratan Tataji used to meet him. And this story always revolves around the relation between Ratan Tataji and Shantanu Naidu, and a lot of things we can learn from the personality of both. I'm not saying about the single one. And the protagonist here, I would say both are the protagonists, and the book is kind of very you will feel much closer to Ratan Tataji. We have known the contribution what he had in India, but yes, he used to think much greater than that. Like we will be saying that there was an international architecture, and he used to apply that to the slums of Mumbai. So from this we can got to know about what were the thoughts in the mind of Ratan Tataji. And with that, the Shantanu Naidu get into the office of Ratan Tataji himself, and he became an assistant to him. And the story revolves around these only. And so this is a book, and about the number of pages. So there are 212 pages, and I think it is a must read if you want to know him more. And yes, I recommend to you. Thank you.